Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will attempt to create, and I say attempt to create, Helsinki minibus traffic bus line number 35. The reason why I say I will try to create, I'm attempting to create, is that I don't really understand yet how this line is functioning. The previous time I tried to create this line, I just split into two. I created two lines. I created line 35A and 35B. Today I will try to create one complete line 35. And the reason why you are seeing a new stretch of bus tracks here, or bus road here, is that I tried to start creating this video once, and I already built the first stretch of tracks. After that, my browser, which includes the maps, failed, and there was this long pause of around a minute while I was trying to get it up, and then I just realized I will not be able to create a coherent video. I will not be able to create a video without 3 minutes of browser failures and my cursing, so I just decided to keep what I had created and just start a new video. So basically the line starts at Munkkiniemen kirkko, and then it kind of does what no other line has done yet and runs through the shopping center, but it doesn't stop there. And then there is a new stretch of track connecting it to the boulevard, and it goes on there. But then what happens still remains a mystery to me. I'm now trying to solve the mystery. So the first stop is called Rakunatie, and I think that the way this thing is built, the first Rakunatie stop will be located in here. Let's just see what Rakunatie is in Swedish, and let's hope that the browser does not fail me this time. It's Dragonvägen, which is pretty sensible, right? But the stop is located here. So Rakunatie Dragonvägen is over here. And that is how we will build this connection to connect it with the boulevard. And it should go right about like this. Looks sensible. And after Rakunatie, the following stop is Rakunatie 8, which is all the way in here. Dragonvägen 8, please don't fail me now. It's located around here. And the correct pronunciation is actually Dragonvägen 8, not Dragonvägen 8. Dragoon is not a dragon. It's, well, something different. Oops. And then we'll have to create a loop. To the end, the loop is visible on the map. Come on, I didn't sign up for this. And as you are seeing, that junction doesn't work over. Oops, I think we'll have to move this junction a bit like that. Now it should work. Let's just create the loop, shall we? That was one funny way of creating it. And then what happens after Rakunatie 8 is that it will stop at a stop called Rakunatie. Another stop called Rakunatie, which is located in here. Oops. Double that. I will build double tracks just in case, because this line is so funny. I have absolutely no way of understanding where this goes. And if this is the case, then the loop should look like this. And like this. And then we'll just move the signals to the right place. And that's it. And like I said, I will try to make sure that I will have every connection possible and required connection available in here. So that's why I'm creating a double track, despite this track probably not being a double track in real life. And after this there will be double what are they called? Double signals. Thank you. Double signals here and there, and then let's create the line a bit further. So we start at Munkkiniemen kirkko, then we stop at this stop at of Rakunatie. We stop at Rakunatie 8, we get back from Rakunatie 8, we stop a second time at Rakunatie, and then we stop at Niemenmäki. After Niemenmäki, we stop at a stop called Munkkivuori, which is probably that one located at the shopping center, so it's safe to say that it's the Munkkivuoren ostoskeskus stop. Then, this is the one way of this line. And then let's look at the other way, where it stops at Munkkivuori, and the other sorry about that. Other Munkkivuori stop over here, which I have not created. Sorry about that. It just couldn't fit the schedule. Oh yes, now I understand how this works. Then we have a stop called Luvaniementie, which is located over here. It's called Lugnesvägen in Swedish. Let me double check the location. It's here. Luvaniementie, Lugnesvägen. Sorry. And then we'll just take the backtrack from here. I am actually possibly finally finding the logic, or let's not say the logic, I'm finding the way this line has been created. It isn't very logical, but it seems to work. After Luvaniementie, the line will stop at Niemenmäenkuja, and now let's see where that is. That is over. Sorry about that. Niemenmäenkuja. No, wait. Yes. So Niemenmäenkuja. Sorry. Näshöjdsgränden is over here. And that seems pretty logical. I will let the fact that this road is not following the exact roads, I will just let it pass. I just want to get rid of this actual line. So Niemenmäenkuja is over there. And then we stop at a place called Niemenmäki, Näshöjdin, over there. At the end of this loop, which could be created one way. I did not do it because I didn't understand how this line works. but I think I have found a functioning way of understanding this line here. Let's see. We go, and after Niemenmäki, we will then stop at Niemenmäentie, Näshöjdsvägen, which will be located around here. So yes, this is a funny line because it does 2 double loops. Or it does two loops. Sorry, my voice is... I have issues with my voice right now. And that affects the video, but I want to film this video, I want to create this track, I want to be able to create even today. And after Näshöjdsvägen, Niemenmäentie, the stops will be Luuvanmäentie and Munkkivuoren kirkko, and now I think I got it. So let's build the blueprints, and then let's go back to lines. So we stop at Munkkivuoren ostoskeskus. Then we skip the church. It's a very special line. Then we go to here, to here, to here, and here, and here. And we're back at the start. Wow. I have rarely seen a line this confusing. And the timetable? Hourly. So let's open the line to passenger service. Let's buy my 10th boxy Mercedes-Benz, disguised as a Citroën Jumper. And let's run it. 17:30. Bingo. Sorry once again. Line up and running. Today's video complete. And I will return tomorrow with a new one. So, until then, bye.